Amazon measurements at FBA, something I'm getting a lot of questions on right now, so I decided to shoot a video to give this nice quick tip. This, of course, is a measuring tape. Anytime Amazon is messing up the measurements of your items, it is costing you hundreds of dollars, sometimes $1 or $2 per item shipped. If you're sending out hundreds of units a week, you get the idea. Here's the tip. Simply take the measuring tape, measure your item, and take a picture with your cell phone showing the measuring tape right next to the item directly in the picture, and tell them, hey, you have my measurements as XYZ, but in fact, it's 5 inches. It's 5 by 4 by 3, and you have marked it as 8 by 17 by 2. And you need to update these measurements. When you file that remeasurement ticket, they lock it down for a minimum of 90 days on your SKU. So when you're filing the appeal for the remeasurement, giving them hard, cold proof where you're showing those actual measurement numbers with the measuring tape is your fastest and best way to fight the appeal. If you just simply tell them the information or ask them to check it again, 9 out of 10 times they're going to come back with the same information or simply ignore you. So that's why it is in your best interest to prove it with undeniable evidence to show them. And then when that doesn't work, then ship out that proverbial email over to jeff@amazon.com. Cite the case, show the picture, and say, hey, your team can't measure. Please fix. Once you have the measurement fixed, of course, then you can file for reimbursements for all the overcharges that Amazon gave you, and you're off to the races for hundreds of more dollars in your pocket. Just to give a small plug to My Refund Guy, we help claw back money that Amazon owes you when they lose your item or damage it at a warehouse. I can't help you with getting refunds on missed measurements, to be clear with this service, but it helps with almost everything else when it comes to your inventory and lost inbound shipments. So check it out over at myrefundguy.com. First $500 are on me.